10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic is Solved Online legislation update for business solutions and Act of Settlement 1700. Like I say, it's a summary. The show will be 15 minutes, and at the end there will be dictionary, which is to show the root meaning of words in law for business solutions. Solved Online YouTube platform is the report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. Like the motto states, Solved Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. Yeah, there will be giveaways again in future online books, articles. Also, again, Solved Online provides solutions, discovery, document, proof, show demonstrations, direction, instruction, and accuracy in correction. Let's get to that 1,000 subscribers to start that online tutorial, webinar, seminar, again to teach everyone how to research like the barrister, solicitor, and lawyer. Again, the best in, again, your protection, your growth. Yeah, so we're gonna head over to again legislation.gov.uk for that number one solution, that number one update. So I'm gonna share the screen now, and then I'm gonna send out some more links so that again everyone could be alert. Yeah, so it's another week of more topics that again you may not have come across. But so it's time to even show again more. It keeps going, getting more present and more present. So just to give you overview of the actual law and how our business is tied up. The Windrush generation is tied up. The business, the royalty, and everything that there is. So just gonna send out again the post so that I could get going. Yeah, so let's see how it looks on this. Just for one moment, gonna have to pause the screen. Yeah, it just came up again, got some errors, so I'm just gonna open up just to get everything right. Yeah, alright, now I got it, so I'm just gonna send out this link. I don't know why it goes straight into, so I'm just gonna send it out again because I made a mistake. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna delete the top one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try to sort out this error quickly, then I'm gonna continue with the show. So like I say, this is what it's all about. Yeah, then that's it. It's gonna do one more post. Another post. Then I'm gonna do another post. And that's it. Then we're gonna continue. Okay, so now that's it. So we're gonna go forward and then we're gonna continue. So Yeah, so now, like I said, we're on legislation.gov.uk. So as you see, it's going to scroll down. So we're at the home page. We're going to okay. So again, there's two UK statutory instruments. So you're going to go there and click. So again, there's three new statutory instruments. So the first one is the Universal Credit Manage Migration Pilot and Miscellaneous Amendments Amendment Regulations 2020. And the next one is the persons subject to immigration control, housing authority, accommodation and homelessness Amendment Order 2020. And the next one, the Education Pupil Registration England Coronavirus Amendment number 2 Regulations 2020. That's the three. So anyone is involved in any one of these, like I say, hit me up in my box and then just leave your message. I'll be able to answer the question. So that's all it is for today. So I'm just gonna go into the summary of the act. I'm gonna go up and then, like I say, just type in the Act of Settlement, and then, like I say, just open it up, and then we're gonna go into it. Just like I say, summary. This one is very, tricky when it comes to the meaning. Even though it's talking about the Act of Settlement, there is a different range of different evocal standards. So there's different meanings in the actual word. Yes, appreciate for passing through, Monica Taylor. So there's different, standards when it comes to settlement. But it definitely opens up again the right, because this is just confirming again, as you can see, the Act of Settlement 1700, and it shows you an act for the further limitation of the crown and better securing the rights and liberties of the subject. It's of the subject. So again, when you have a family feud in terms of succession, it starts to differ, it starts to change. Like I say, it's different evocal standards. So there's different ranges of settlements. So the first settlement is based on, again, so this is just showing you where the power is to confirm the limitation of the crown and to better secure the rights and liberties of the subject in case there's any family feud, and to confuse the actual, again, the realm and the crown of the realm, the imperial crown. So this is just to clarify that means. And it shows you again, recite of state equals 1 W and M, so it's William and Mary. And it shows you, and that the late Queen and Duke of Gloucestershire are dead. So they're saying they died, are dead. So, and that His Majesty had recommended from the throne a further provision for the succession of the crown in the Protestant line. The Princess Sophia, Electress, and Duchess, Dowager of Hanover, daughter of the late Queen of Bohun, daughter of King James I, to inherit after the king and the Princess Anne, in default of the issue of the said Princess and His Majesty representatively, and the heirs of our bodies being Protestant. So it's showing you, based on the body, based on the actual, the dead body that they're talking about, because it shows you that they are dead. So based on the bodies, they come with a lot of different statues, they come with a lot of ties to the actual realm. So they're using the bodies, which all the issues with all the laws that attach to them to again evoke a settlement so that they could be succession of the crown. But with that they have to again follow the imperial crown, like I say, the laws of the realm, so that again the actual subjects don't get mistreated or move one side. But it like now it's happening where you see the Windrush generation, they're getting shoved to one side. But these acts are there to again you know be a security for that purpose, so that they don't really cause too much damage. So that's why these times are happening, and it shows you again it's definitely for the people of the realm, because it's a widespread. Because the realm, it shows you even give you an example where the realm it stretch out even into to France. To France, so it's a far realm, and the dominions that are covering. So because it all leads back to Jerusalem, Judah, you know Egypt. That's how stretches. So it shows you there again goes enactment established and declare that the throne and the original government of the Kingdom of England, France, and Ireland, and the dominions. So it's showing you that the realm is very wide. It's not like I say it's a kingdom, so it's stretched far and wide again. So that is mostly, like I say, is part of that Roman Empire where you're talking about. So the Rome is very big. So that is, in terms of a different way to say an empire, you call it a realm, just to make not man as the supreme, but the creator. That's why it has, God all over the actual document. So just to even, like I say, show you the expression again, as they show you here, where just to add in, it goes, thereby declared to be the next in succession in the Protestant line to the imperial crown and dignity of the said realm of England, France, and Ireland, with the dominions and territories thereunto. So showing you again, it's not again just a crown, it's an imperial crown. And the settlement that Sophia was implementing was a settlement between her father or her grandmother, or a mother. They're just settling that body where saying all the acts that has been published with them, to be able to. So she's using the said inheritance of the crown. They're using the said inheritance of the realm as a subject. So she's just claiming the throne based on again family. So it's just that this is just the whole purpose to evade the actual realm, the people of the realm. So just this one even declare it even more. So it goes, the laws and statutes of the realm confirmed, and whereas the laws of England are the birthright of the people thereof, and all the kings and queens who shall ascend the throne of this realm, or to administer the government of the said according to the said laws, and all their offices and ministers ought to serve them respectively according to the same, the said Lord spiritual and Lord temporal and commons, do hereafter further humbly pray that all the laws and statutes of this realm for securing the established religion and the rights and liberties of the people thereof, and all other laws and statutes of the said for in force may be ratified and confirmed, and the same are by His Majesty by and with the advice and consent of the said Lord, spiritual and temporal and common, and by the authority of the same, rectified and confirmed accordingly. So it's showing you the whole, again, like I say, confirmation. It's showing you. So when it talks about the laws of England, they are the birthright of the people. So this is the thing where, again, you have to understand. So in regarding, because it's a empire, it's a kingdom. So just like if we have the Windrush, it's their birthright said way. So yeah, so this is what it is. Like I say, that's what it is. A quick summary. So I'm just gonna go to the next slide just to show you what's going on, just to give you a dictionary. So just gonna cut off this one and then go over to the next slide. So 15 minutes is there. So we're just gonna close with a dictionary, and the word is today settlement. So we're gonna talk about settlement. Just gonna so settlement, as you can see, goes an act or a process or adjusting or determine or adjusting an adjustment being between persons concerning their dealings or difficulties, an arrangement by which parties having to the House of Hanover and the same new provisions were added at the same time for the better securing the religion, laws, and the liberties. So it's just showing you, and also you understand. So that's what it is. That's the word settlement. And there you go. There you have it. You're just looking for it to see if there's any other. Then you could have settle, a word of equivocal meaning different things in different connection, and the particular sense in which it is used may be explained by the context or the surrounding circumstances. Accordingly, the term may be employed as meaning to agree, to approve, to arrange, to ascertain, to liquidate, come to, or to dispute matters between them, reaching or ascertain what is coming from one to the other, arrangement of difficulties, composure of doubts and or differences, determination by agreement and liquidation. So I'm showing you that full terminology. So there you have it again. Yes, it's solved online. And again, solved. This is in the show. Continue tomorrow. It's gonna keep going. Like I say, solved online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels, problems. Again, the topic, solve online, legislation update for business solutions and act of settlement 700 summary. Solved online YouTube platform is the report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. Again, Solved Online knows that there is no business like the King's business. So thanks and praise and appreciation, and I'll see you on the next show. Okay.